Hello, everyone. My name is Skyla Post with skylasposts.com. And on this channel, you'll find videos all about making an income from home and staying healthy while doing it. However, in this video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools, right? Whether it's for online teaching, whether it is sharing on social media, this is my go-to tool to make all of the graphics. This is the tool I use for OutSchool class photos. This is the tool I use for YouTube thumbnails, which are just the photos that you see attached to a YouTube video so that they don't just pick a random clip from the live video of me making a weird face. I get to choose the weird face that I'm making from my photo. So I use something called Canva. Canva is so great. This is just going to be a really quick introduction talking about what Canva is and a little bit about what it can do, why I use it and how I use it. So I use this for Instagram stories if I want to make something cute. Like over here, it says back to you and there's the green. Can you see it starting to flip through? That was an Instagram story that I made. I picked the background. I typed words on it and then I made the slides. And then I just downloaded it and shared it. Here's a PowerPoint that I made that it's flipping through, right? So I have used it to make PowerPoints, to use in Zoom sessions. I've used it to make Instagram stories. Like I said, OutSchool class photos, YouTube thumbnails. I've also used it like right here. Do you see where it says wellness? I made that for a post. I'm just talking about health and wellness, and I made a post for one of my Facebook groups. There's so many things. It's so wonderful. They have templates and things are already pre-sized for you. They have you can have a blank slide. You can do all the things. So let's make a YouTube thumbnail together. Let's go to... So here's an example of a design that I have been playing around with just so you can see it. If I'm making an OutSchool video, I like to keep my thumbnails cohesive. So I would come over here and type something about OutSchool, whatever I'm titling the video, and then I would replace this picture. So on my next OutSchool video, you'll see me adjust this one. You can look over on the left. This is just all I did was I had logged into Canva. I clicked all your designs and then I picked one, right? That's all I did. So you can choose templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, style, video. There are backgrounds. There are literally so many things that you can do. But one of the biggest reasons why I chose Canva specifically, aside from all the cool things that I can make, was the fact that they have non-copyrighted photos available. So if I click photos, anything I find in here on any topic that I search for, so that was wellness I had searched for. If you search Halloween, maybe you need to make a flyer, whatever you're doing, these are non-copyrighted images. How cool is that? So I never have to worry about getting in trouble with copyrights if I'm making it myself with stock photos. That is why I use Canva. That's 100% why I use Canva, on top of the fact that it's so user-friendly and great. So let's pick a template and start from there. Okay, so I'm on the template tab. These are ones I've used and then adjusted that I've used recently. Let's see. What is sticking out to me today? All about Canva. Let's do this. So I didn't choose to apply all 3 pages. I just chose one. and Canva tutorial for YouTube thumbnails. Oh, don't love that font. So just think about how you've used just regular programs like Word. You click on the box, you can pick the font and the size. Let's see. I'm trying a couple. Not loving those. Okay. That's all right. Now let's get my own photo. So I'll go to uploads. If you ever want to upload an image, you can choose. I usually am pulling pictures from this computer that I have saved. I'm going to use this photo. I've already uploaded it. I'm just clicking and I'm dragging. Now I'm going to grab this corner, pull it down. I want to make it wider. And you just play around with it, right? It's seriously so great. If you want to undo something, you just click undo on the top, right? How great is this? You want to delete something. See how I'm getting the box behind? I just click backspace. You want to change the color? Change the color. I like purple. Maybe I'll make it all purple. So it's so user-friendly. I started from a template, added a photo, typed in a chat box, changed a couple colors. It's so great. So great. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would then change the name of it to Canva tutorial for YTTN is my abbreviation for YouTube thumbnails. And then I can choose how I want to download it. I download it as a PNG, as a photo, save it to my computer, and then I just have a photo that's saved. I should show you. Look at that. Look what we did. That was so easy, right? So, I hope you could see it.